Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have an unboxing. My first unboxing from Monument Metals. It comes in a nice, discreet little box here. This thing is a nice little box that we are going to unbox. And when we unbox it, we're going to take it out of the box. Hence, it will not be in the box anymore, and it will be in our hands. This is to continue the collection of the Queen's Beast series to catch me up, and it's about time. So we're going to attempt to get into the package here, and I'm going to show you. That I'm going to undo this in such a way that you can tell that I'm actually really am unboxing this. It's really happening. It's for sure happening right here. Yes, indeed. So let's begin to extract the material from inside. And the materials here, we have a packing slip there. And it says that they charged me, and I paid for it. That's right. That's what happens when you make a purchase. That's what tends to happen. There's a transaction, a payment made, nicely packed, little envelope there. All right, here we go. It is the latest. It is the one, silver and gold. To update the collection here, we've got ourselves the Baphomet of Beaufort. Actually, it's the Yale of Beaufort, but boy, that thing looks like the devil, doesn't it? It looks like the Rain and Blood album cover from Slayer. That's right, look at that. Insane in the membrane. Wow. That is evil looking with the horns. Yes, the Yale with the gold spots. Now, this is one area where I think might have been cool if they gilded just the spots to make them gold. That'd have been kind of cool, because that's part of the story of the Yale of Beaufort. I understand that's how it's pronounced. This is the second time that I got the pronunciations wrong when I introduced these designs to you guys. Same thing with the Falcon of the Plantagenets. Now I know how to pronounce that, and now I know how to pronounce this. Nice, very nice coin here. And Monument Metals did a good job of picking me out a nice one, which is cool, which is always kind of a worry with these, for sure. But that's good. They have that quality control there. And there's the Galoche, I think that's how you pronounce it. I think I was corrected on that side for the Queen. I like this Galoche better than the kind of the reticulated pattern before. It kind of looked like stucco. There's that, and then the quarter-ounce gold. Looky here. Here's the quarter-ounce gold of the same creature here, the Yale of Beaufort. Quarter-ounce fine gold. These are a little bit thinner planchets than what you normally see on a quarter-ounce, but it's kind of nice in this case because it's a larger diameter piece, which allows you to better view the Beaufort there. So very good. The design, very nice. This updates. I think this makes 7, if I'm not mistaken, of the Queen's Beast that have been released thus far. I may do a follow-up video showing all of these all together that I've got to update the collection thus far. But there it is, the quarter-ounce gold. And I do consider this as bullion, so I'll probably consider this as part of my goal for the year. I've had other purchases and other things that have kind of taken precedence. I've been a little bit slow start in getting my ounce gold. That's kind of, I like to try to buy gold if I can. You can save on premiums and get a nice chunk of metal there for gold there. But this is nice too. Quarter ounce typically, I think if you're going to find fractional gold, quarter ounce is probably your best bet as far as your savings, and you can find some good deals in a quarter ounce, and some case for half ounce too, but a quarter ounce is definitely a nice size to pick up for gold there. So that's the quarter ounce Queen's Beast Beaufort, and then the 2 ounce silver. But I'm collecting them in these sizes here. And I'll tell you, the reason I'm glad I've chose these sizes because, you know, for silver, this is the smallest silver that you can buy. You can get them in 10 ounces as well. But for the gold, this is the smallest gold size that they have. So it makes for a nice collection because you can get the smallest sizes of both of these, and they're still very well defined design wise, and you can make out all the features, and it's a less expensive way to accumulate the series. I'm glad I didn't get the proofs, because the proofs really don't, in my opinion, they don't look as nice, because part of the attractiveness of these designs is this background pattern, and as well as on the queen side. My only complaint about the queen side is that I wish they would have chosen this galoche pattern back in 2016 when they started with the lion, because the lion, and even through part of 2017, they used that stucco reticulated pattern behind the queen, which made the text hard to read and really just didn't, it made it difficult to really make out, and it wasn't as attractive as this. This is clearly a much more defined and intricate pattern in my view. Very well done. So there you have it. Queen's Beast, keeping the collection updated. That's what it's about. In some ways, I can't wait to finish it because, I'm kind of been hesitant to accumulate new series or to collect new series as such. In some ways, I kind of like to get coins just because of what they are, and get coins that stand by themselves as an attractive and beautiful pieces, than to commit to another series where there may be some designs that you don't like and others that you do. And sometimes when you have a new series like this, they're not quite as consistent with what they do. And we've seen some examples of that. I just mentioned one example in the Queen's Beast series. Otherwise, it's done fairly well. But, you really have to commit. I almost think if there's going to do another series, it should be a very small series with different sizes. Of course, the Queen's Beast, you can be heavily invested in the Queen's Beast for sure. I mean, you can spend a lot of money getting all the different sizes and proof versions of these. They have them in platinum. They have them in 1 ounce gold. They've got a 10-ounce silver. And then they have the proof versions, gold and silver. And so you can spend a lot of money just completing this whole set here. Spending enough money just getting these. But there it is. Quite fascinating. Post your thoughts below. Would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, comment, share. That's an important one. Share this video if you don't mind. That would be very nice of you to do so. And while you're at it, hey, might as well hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Maybe you'll watch the video again. Maybe not. Well, there it is. That's the call to action. All right? Thank you, guys. Multitude of gratitude to you all. See ya.